Today we'll start with paper session. And paper stands for
our thin and light devices.
And during this pandemic period of time, a lot of people have to work from home, have to learn from home. And for that, we have a very good solution in order to improve people's working efficiency. Starting with Chromebook. We are actually the #1 Chromebook supplier in the world.
And for good reason, Jason. What we have here today is actually the Chromebook Enterprise Spin 713.
So on top of everything we have already done, we are going to come out with a new device, is this baby.
That's right, and what we've done is quite special with our Chromebooks. We wanted to give people a little bit of extra added protection. And the way that we did that is by adding an antimicrobial solution to the Chromebook screen.
Oh, so the touch screen, many people touch it, is actually well protected.
Yeah, that's exactly right. Because people are going to be moving these around a lot and touching them. And with enterprise especially, they're going to be used mainly at workplaces to help improve efficiency. And they may be taken back home. People will utilize cloud computing. But ultimately, because we want to protect that screen, with antimicrobial, how it works is we use a material that's embedded with silver ions that limits the amount of bacteria that can grow on the screen. And because of that, will limit the amount of germs that might pass from one person to another.
That sounds wonderful. And it's very thin and light and beautiful design as well.
And because it's a spin, you can actually utilize many modes. So if you do want to use it like a laptop, spin it around for touching or for drawing, or just use it to share information, you can do all those things with the Spin 713.
It looks beautiful. And you want to talk about the display, please.
Yeah,
the ratio of the display.
Obviously, the display, you might notice that it looks a little bit different, and this is because it's using our VertiView display. This is a 3x2 display, which is actually more narrow, more vertical. So like if you want to utilize it for more paper reading or viewing PowerPoints, etc., you can do all those things and get more text on your screen.
Nowadays, that's more and more needed. And for that, we're actually having to look at how the product in details. And on top of the